This is part two. This is part two of the customer feedback campaign system and the testing thereof. We finished with the feedback campaign report. You can see all of them there. Every line pertains to a particular customer, so you can have multiple lines for a particular campaign. The reason being is that the only way that we can track them is to have it reporting in this way. But the good thing is you've got the filter whereby you can either do it based on the campaign date or the customer. So you've got a choice of either one. So let's just go back to the actual campaign itself. So if I go customer feedback, that takes you to the campaigns, and then you can go and open any one of these campaigns. Okay, now you've got all that there. Remember that when we were in a template, there were these questionnaires. The way in which you do these are done at the regional franchisee administration level. So you go to Apps RF Administration, and then you can go and manage feedback campaign questionnaires, or you can add a new feedback campaign questionnaire. I'm going to show you what one that's already created looks like. So I'm going to go into manage. This is a list of all the questionnaires that are available so that you can standardize them. The other reason why it's done at this level here is that these responses are automated. So you must be able to actually create them in the system and standardize them. You can't just create them on the fly one by one, otherwise you won't be able to have that reporting into the database of those. So, let's have a look at this one. You can edit, you can activate or deactivate, and you can delete the campaigns. Obviously, you can't delete a campaign that a questionnaire that has been involved in an actual campaign that's been sent out. So you've got the title of the campaign, this, and then you've got the number of answers, so you can dictate as many answers as you want. Remember, this is a multi-choice, one answer only scenario. So you've got those there. So all you need to do in order to change the number of answers is to click on that and create inputs. Okay, so you've got that. So if you look and add, very similar to what you've just seen, you put in the actual question. So how do you rate? So how do you rate our services this week? Okay, and I'll put, say, 3, and I'll create inputs. So there's 3 questions created. One is excellent, okay, poor. Save, and there it is there up at the top. How do you rate our services this week? 3 answers, 1 question. Okay, so that's all you need to do in the RF admin bit. This ends the video part 2. Part 3 will show you how the customer sees this